I'm Nick Grove at the Morningstar SMSF Strategy Day in 2015, and I'm joined by Morningstar's Peter Warnes. Pete, where are you seeing the best opportunities in the Australian market at the moment?
Nick, the market pushing around about the 6,000 mark is elevated, and value is not all that evident, albeit that we like stocks that have got exposure to the growing US market. Companies like Brambles, companies like the healthcare, CSLs, the Kochlears, what have you. So and the James Hardys, those companies that are tuned into growth. We like those. They are a little expensive, but albeit that some of them are nicely in the whole zone, and that's not. You don't necessarily have to be, away from that. Domestically, we like some stocks in the diversified financials, Aveda, Computershare. We're a bit negative on some of the insurance stocks, but still in all, overall, it's not a market that it's gung ho. You've got to be very, very selective and cautious.
Pete, when it comes to the big banks, have they got plenty of steam left in them in terms of growth and dividends?
Nick, I'd take out the word plenty. I think they have got the wherewithal to continue to deliver moderate and acceptable returns, both in terms of earnings, return on capital, and dividends. And so what we want to see is, increasing dividends not at an exorbitant rate, at a nice moderate rate, in tune with what we think earnings growth is going to be going forward, about 5 or 6%. I think if that happens, then everyone's very, very comfortable, and that just adds a little bit more to what we've already got in terms of a running yield, which again is quite attractive vis-a-vis the alternatives.
And just finally, Pete, when it comes to the energy and resources sector, which sort of companies are currently presenting the best profile?
Well, Nick, again, we're comfortable that the oil price will recover. It's not going to recover this week or next week, but by the end of 2015, running into 2016, we do think it'll be higher than it is currently, and maybe push towards that $70 US a mark. Now, those stocks that we do continue to like are moat stocks. That is, the ones with very, very long life reserves. Woodside and Santos remain our number 1 and 2 picks.
Pete, thanks very much for your time today.
Thanks a lot, Nick.
I'm Nick Grove at the Morningstar SMSF Strategy Day in 2015.